Bots for the win.
Hey guys, Patrick here with you on another bot teardown. And here we are, the Golden State Warriors. These guys are currently in the NBA Finals, which is pretty awesome. So right away on the get started screen, little personalization mixed in. Nice job, Warriors. Hey, Patrick. So they've got my name right, which is great. And I just love this menu. I think this menu is so insanely powerful. This is the first little initial run through. Obviously, today's little bot teardown is all about the menu. So ready to sign up. Let's just pick what I've received. This has to do with all their notifications, and I'm just going to do live score for now. You can stop this at any point in time, but a whole nother bot teardown could be done just on whether or not, which on or off? Off. Good. All right, go to the menu. Ready for the main event? Boom. So what we're talking about today is the main menu, and this one is just mind-boggling. It's like one of the first ones I saw when I started getting into bots, and I blew me away in so many different ways. Now they're built on Chatfuel. They're not built on ManyChat. But here's Chatfuel's version of cards, right? And so they've got game info here, scores, highlights, broadcast, and more. Previous games, upcoming games, live score. They've got arena info and find tickets, right? They've got team info, players and gears, shop gears. And absolutely amazing. You can go into the previous game. Let's just start at the top. And you've got cards here that are giving you kind of replays, highlights of what's going on. You can get a game recap, which this sends you into the little browser. It's not going to say page not found, is it? That's Lame Warriors. Oh, there it is. So what happens? This is what I agree. Let's see. Stupid GDPR. Brussels sucks. All right, I'm going to close that out. Top play. Let's see if this works. And look at that.
On the drive, as Capella behind him.
It's just, you know, I'm not even a Warriors fan at all. I could care less, but this is still just so cool to me. So let's go back to the main menu. Constantly going back, and this shows to me, like, one, this is in many ways more impressive than some websites, and it is completely inside of a chatbot, which is insane to me. And not only that, I don't even know if I've seen one this big. And here we go. These little quick reply buttons, which are rapidly becoming kind of the standard of messenger bot navigation, as well as, to be honest with you, a lot of the voice bots too. I mean, even Google uses these things quite heavily. So this is what people are going to be trained to use. But arena policies, maps, getting here, food and concessions, service amenities, parking, awesome. I mean, they've got their entire website in this thing. It is the kitchen sink in this thing. They're telling me all these various different details, and you know, in terms of how big of an operation a sporting event is. You know, a couple of bots ago we reviewed the Facebook F8 bot, and that was an amazing one, right? Because it's a live event, and a live event is its own entity, its own complex beast with all these various different things you can do, parking information, everything that you just saw in that menu. And a sports franchise is such a big entity that's like 50 different businesses, and so we can get into players. Let's just take a look at the players to be thorough here, check everything out. Here's the Warriors roster. What a cool use of a roster. This is just going forever. Check all highlights. And so they're kind of stuck by the same limitations that we are. Set as a favorite, check full profile, highlights. I mean, amazing. So show 5 more. So they're playing by the rules here, right? Like, you're not allowed to have more than 5 cards, I think. And there they are with 5 cards. What a killer use of a roster. I mean, why is every sports franchise not doing this? Check full profile, highlights, set as a favorite. Like, just absolutely amazing. Then I want to go back and show you. So find tickets. I'm sure you can find tickets on there. I don't even want to touch that. What about shop gear? What is this little thing in my way? All right, shop gear. Looking for some Dubs gear. Why are they even called the Dubs? I don't know. I want to turn that up so you can hear a little bit. Here are some popular items from Warriors.com. We'll keep these fresh throughout the season. Now let's find you something amazing. And so here we are using cards again. Shop playoffs, shop Nike jerseys, shop the town, shop women's. Let's just shop playoffs. Playoffs? Talking about playoffs? New era events, the town playoffs, tribal and charcoal. Buy now. Buy now. I mean, boom, and they're ready to take my payment. So it's interesting. They're jumping me into the web browser rather than keeping me in Messenger, which they certainly could. And, you know, that's suboptimal in my estimation, but still, I think, you know, as you talk about what a main menu potentially can be, what a main menu can potentially have in it, this one just spins your head around. And, you know, what a wow, just crazy Just totally blown away. And then that's their main menu. They've also got where you manage notifications. We saw that earlier. I stopped there. Find ticket, shop gear, invite friends, help. So nice little shareable feature here at the very end. Go ahead and share. Click this image and share. Let people know. Quick reply back to the main menu. Never a dead end. So a really, really thoroughly thought out and built out bot that I think is really impressive. And it's one of those ones that if you're building a menu or you're thinking about a menu or you're just wanting to see, I wonder what's even possible in a menu. What a great one to potentially be aware about and then go and check out because it's such a complex beast. But man, this is quite literally a website inside of a chatbot. Thanks for checking out the bot Teardown. If you're enjoying what you're watching, love for you to subscribe. We have quite a few of these coming. Thanks, and have a great day.